The Skytown 150 is powered by Kymco's revolutionary green power engine, which delivers top-tier performance while reducing carbon emissions by 17% and fuel consumption by 21%. This cutting-edge technology demonstrates Kymco's commitment to creating vehicles that meet the environmental needs of today's riders. Powered by a 149cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, the Skytown 150 provides a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. The engine produces approximately 10 horsepower and 11 newton of torque, making it capable of handling city commutes with ease while keeping operating costs low. Its CVT transmission ensures smooth and consistent power delivery, making it beginner-friendly and stress-free to ride in stop-and-go traffic. The Skytown 150 is packed with features that emphasize riders' comfort and convenience. It offers generous under-seat storage for a helmet or personal items, a flat footboard for easy mounting, and a USB charging port for on-the-go device charging. A clear and straightforward digital analog instrument cluster provides essential ride information at a glance, ensuring a hassle-free experience for daily commuters. When it comes to safety, the scooter is equipped with front and rear disc brakes for reliable stopping power, paired with a combined braking system (CBS) for added control. Its 12-inch alloy wheels and telescopic front fork provide stability and a comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. With its blend of practicality, ease of use, and stylish design, the Kymco Skytown 150 is a well-rounded option for riders seeking a dependable city scooter. Alright. Switch on. Oh. Ano na yun? Ay, yan ang switch on. Pwede mag-test ride. Oo, pwede mag-test ride ng motor. Ito medyo malakas ang vibration. Ay, 150cc. Mas malakas preno nito. Dalili lang hindi ko. Ayun, so isa sa mga features nito yung traction control.
So ito, pag naka-green siya, ibig sabihin naka-deactivate siya.
Deactivate, ibig sabihin hindi gumagana.
Hindi siya gumagana. So power po ito lahat yan.
Puro power. Sabihin, yung mga akyate, ganyan, yan ang mga dapat i-deactivate mo.
Tapos kung gusto mong i-activate ito, sir, i-hold mo lang tong mode. And then magbi-blink po yan.
Oo, pag nag-blink
po yan, mag-a-adjust po kayo. Pipili po kayo dyan. Yan. Orange, activated siya.
Okay.
Pwede ka na.
Pwede na, ibig sabihin may safety ka na.
Oo, pero ang naka-activate ng traction control. Kaya
Oo.
medyo may lagok po ito pag biglaan.
Oo.
Yan po yun. Natin makikita nyo po ang difference ng naka-deactivate saka naka-activate ng traction control.
Okay, sige. So, sa ngayon,
Naka-activate po yan. Okay.
activate. So, i-testing natin. Pagka i-deactivate ko, hold lang tong
And then, pag biblink po siya,
saka ko i-adjust.
Green siya.
Okay. Alright. Testing natin ngayon yung naka-on yung THC. T8, ha? TCH, TCS. Alright, yun pala pakiramdam ko, ha? Okay. Ngayon, Sir, paano yan? Wala na. Nawala yung ilaw. Ay, ano ko ulit? Bababa ko ba? Oh, hindi nag-activate eh. Kailangan i-off mo muna, no?
Hindi pa mag-activate ka po, dapat naka-brake po kayo. Dapat 0-0 yung ano nyo.
Oh, yan, ganyan. Pero kahit naka-on.
Brake po kayo. Long press po sa mode. Magbiblink po yan. Dapat nakatapat po yung sa odo. Dapat naka-odo po yan.
Paano mo itatapat yun? Dito
Sa
rin?
mood lang po, yan.
Ah,
Odo, tapos long press po.
yun pala.
Yan, magblink po yan. Tapos mamimili po kayo, adjust.
So gusto ko
Okay.
namang i-deactivate ngayon.
Yan, green po, tapos click ulit. Okay na po.
Alright. Mas malakas ang power. Oh. Ito yung mga pang-akyatan. Kaya mabigat ng ano mo. Bukas. Oh, karga.